Hello everyone and welcome to VA Financials. This is my 6th attempt at trying to make this video for this client. But anyhow, I wanted to give everybody an overview on this client. This is still going to be version 4, just ignore the version on there. There is a lot of differences in the background of how this communicates to the server. It should be a lot better in the long run with people uploading and processing flights. This looks familiar to you. What's gone is the eye candy for now. So we're going to go ahead and log in. Up top, you're going to see your information, just like the old one, your transactions, and your VA news. We do have some options here. It's going to show you your airline-defined options, and here, you see your VA options here. You see your client options. It says show weight in pounds or kilograms, and in the distance it says shows in miles or kilometers. You have a debug logging. What this will do is when it's turned on, it will create a debug log for everything that you do in this client. So if there's an issue with it, or you need to troubleshoot something, or I do, I can have you send me the debug log along with the error log and see exactly what you did when the error occurred. And we can go back to the pilot information. That refreshes itself. The pilot logbook. This is different. You're going to see a different interface here. It's going to show you all the flights that you've done with VAFS. If you click on one, you can view the flight details for it. You'll see the flight details and the financial information all within this screen. And you're going to have another 2 buttons at the bottom. One says view complete flight log. That's the flight log from the client that you're familiar with seeing. And the view flight path. This is new. It's going to show you the path that you took from, in this case, Pittsburgh to Charlotte. And that's on every flight. Charlotte to Miami. View the details for it. View the log. And you can view the flight map for it. As you can see, it's a little speedier. Still takes, depending on network, what kind of network you're using. And even those flights that were made back with version 3, you can still see it. There's just no log and no flight path because those weren't created for that yet. Okay, let's go to start new flight. This screen is a lot different than you're used to seeing. Now you have color-coded rows. Each row and color is going to designate something about that flight. You can see them right here in this legend. If it's red, like the ones down here at the bottom are, means I am not certified to fly that aircraft. If it's green, like these at the top, this aircraft for this route is in flight. Click continue to see if another aircraft is available. And specifically what that means, if your airline has locked flights while they're in flight, which means that that aircraft is locked if somebody else is flying it. But you have fly any aircraft. If you see in the options here, pilots can fly any aircraft of same type for the route and locked while they're being flown. What you can do there is, let's get back to the routes here. Every time you click on start new flight, it will refresh the routes. A lot of people ask for that. You can actually select an aircraft. As you can see, this one was November 047. Since that one's in flight, there's 2 other ones at that airport that I can fly, either 48 or 55. Select one, select this aircraft for this route, and you'll see that it'll come up with the pre-flight screen. Let's do that again. There are still some bugs that I got to work out on here. And in fact, I'm still coding. This is at the point where I'm at right now. It's taken about a week and a half. Let's try this again. Select that aircraft. It should come up in the pre-flight screen. And there it is. You got your flight number, your call sign, your flight information, how many seats are available and how many passengers are waiting, the maximum payload, including passengers and baggage. That should show you your max payload It's 0 now because you're full on passengers and baggage. You got your weather at your departing airport and your weather at your arrival. There are going to be some buttons over here that allow you to refresh this. Right here is your company's preferred route. If there's nothing there or you want to find your own route, I do have a click to find route here. And this is a crude flight planner. It'll show you a flight plan that you can try to put in. Like I said, it's crude. I'll update it as time progresses. But for right now, there you go. There you see it. And that's basically where I'm at right now. You can see how many dispatch flights you have here. You can filter this with the dispatch flights. View all the routes. Here you see the tan ones. They're not at my location right now. And since my VA has must depart, fly from your last destination selected, this route is not departing from your current location, so it won't let you go. And as you can see, there's a lot of changes coming to the client. I'm at the point now where I'm connecting to the sim, and I'll be pulling information. But all this back end is different, and like I said, it should be a rather smooth client going forward. There's a lot of things that people have asked. I've tried to put some of them in, and I'll put some more in when I get to this part right here, when I actually start the flight. That's it for now, and I'll make another video shortly. Alright, thank you.